Transporting and installing overdimensional project cargo from point A to anywhere in the world point B can be rife with logistical, mechanical, and engineering cost overruns and bureaucratic nightmares. Let's say that you have some bulky or heavy cargo that was built in, say, Shanghai, and you need to move it and install it in Louisville, Kentucky. You have a boatload of questions to ask to determine the lowest overall shipping cost, which U.S. port of entry, government restrictions in each state, mode of transit in the U.S., road, rail, barge, or combination, and who to hire for every step. You could take the conventional route and hire a multitude of agents, contractors, and subcontractors with little or no expertise. The conventional route could typically involve hiring someone to offload the project cargo, hiring an agent who may have little or no experience in rail or barge operations to load the cargo to rail or barge. Then you have to deal with a barge company or rail provider to get the project cargo as close to the site as possible, where the load is then transferred to a heavy transport specialty contractor who hauls the load by road to the plant. That could be a minimum of 5 contractors just to get the cargo to the site, not counting the installation of the component. Some projects require dealing with many more contractors. So, what are your options? You could hire and manage each contractor yourself, or you can hire an agent with no equipment, engineering capabilities, or specialized knowledge, other than a Rolodex of contractors and a calculator to mark up the cost. Add to this the governing authorities at all levels. The continental U.S. has 49 states with 49 different sets of rules and regulations for over-the-road transportation. This can lead to very expensive delays by not having an expert to manage and perform the entire logistical process. Or call Barnhart. With Barnhart's anchor-to-anchor bolt solution, you can utilize Barnhart's unparalleled network of branches along with North America's largest heavy transport fleet. When you work with Barnhart, you'll deal directly with the men and women who will do the work and a company that owns the equipment to get the job done. You'll have access to America's largest heavy transport and heavy rigging inventory, experienced Barnhart engineers to handle any design challenges in-house, and a team of experts in port and multimodal transportation. And at Barnhart, we know the states. No one is more familiar with the local governing authorities and the minefield of regulations for permitting of overdimensional loads. This knowledge and experience enables us to avoid costly delays. With our experts and equipment, we can complete the anchor-to-anchor bolts process by actually installing the component on site. One contact, one contractor. Barnhart has the equipment, knowledge, innovation, and experience to handle every stage of the process. To do it right and save you time, which we all know is money. Barnhart, minds over matter. Go to barnhartcrane.com to learn more about our anchor-to-anchor bolts turnkey solution.